nothing yet. I don't think this is going to work very well. We'll see. Feels like a very faint tickle way back there, but I don't think it's going to sneeze. I don't think we're going to get a sneeze out of that. Sorry. We'll see. But maybe it'll help along other stuff. Alright, let's go with this thing then. Close tag. I'll try to look at the camera this time. It's hard not to. I'm gonna double over sneezing. Oh, sorry, so close. The nostril feels a little tender from, I think, yesterday's sneezes. Everything's really thin. Oh my gosh. Sorry. That felt really good. Oh, went away. Sorry. That felt good. All right, let's see if I can do a few more for you, right? My left nostril is so tickly. Come on, let's go get it. Oh. Sorry, it went away. Oh. 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 Sorry. Eyes are really watering. Alright, let's see if I can leave it up there for a little bit more, alright? I think you would maybe appreciate that. Okay. Oh, so good. All right, let's try the other one again. Uh, uh, oh, guys, easy on it. Oh, bless me. Sorry, not looking up. I know. I need to look at more. What's the point of showing the face if you don't actually see me, right? Okay.